Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 8i, and today I will show you how to bypass the Google verification. So you can see phone right here is locked, and even though you don't have, or I don't have the little lock icon as you would normally have, you can see I do need to verify it using the pattern. And if I close this, it tells me to verify it using the old Google account right here. So to get basically going with the bypass, you will need a SIM card that has a pin on it. So that is one for me right here. And we just want to pop it in. So once you pop in a SIM card with the pin, the device will basically lock up like this and tell you to insert a SIM pin. So just do so. And for you, once you unlock it, it will show up with a little banner right here, which because I already seen it once, I need to actually pop out the card to get the same result. So you will see this, right? And what you want to do is slide down on it, like so, let it go, and it brings out your notification panel. Click on the settings, let's confirm it. So from the settings, we're gonna go down to additional settings right over here. Now, if for you it's in a different language, which was the case for me the first time around, that's why it kind of looks a tiny bit different at the beginning than probably for you. To change the language to some language that you will understand, you will need to go to, again, also additional settings, and you can see it looks like these two dots. So that's basically what you're looking for. And in here at the very top, you'll have language and region. You can find your desired language. But anyway, you can also completely ignore this if you don't mind having it in a different language. And again, just look for the two dots and scroll all the way down to the last option, which is backup and reset. It's the literally last option right here. And then again, a last option, erase all data, factory reset. And again, a last option, erase all data, erase data, erase data. So the red options. And this will begin a factory reset of the device, but done through settings also removes Google accounts that were previously blocking us, along with a PIN, pattern, password, whatever that case may have been. It will also be completely removed. So all we need to do now is simply wait for the device to finish up the factory reset, and once it's finished, we'll then be back in the setup screen with the device fully unlocked. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And additionally, we can also pop out the card. It's not needed anymore. Okay, so as you can see, factory reset has been now finished, and we can now go through the setup of our device. Now, you can skip connecting to Wi-Fi if you want to. I will connect to it just so you can see what will happen as well, which is basically nothing. So right here is the time where you would see the verification pattern, and next thing you should see, or verification pattern or Google verification. And right now what we'll see is just the phone will allow us to basically go through it without any kind of verification. That is because it is fully unlocked. And as you can see, this is just a sign-in page, so you can sign in if you want to or skip it if you don't. So I'm gonna skip it, obviously. And from here I can quickly finish up the setup. And there we go. As you can see, setup is complete. There was no need to verify anything, and the device is fully unlocked now. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.